So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have Raghavendra Tare ji, and we have the angel coach Abhipsa Das. So, I was informed that Raghavendra ji, he's 69 years from Pune, and he has completely reversed his blood cancer. So, you guys can type wow in the chat box. And it took us almost 1.2 years, means 14 months. And he had constipation from 40 years, which is completely gone. And his medicines, that was Senoclav 625, Neutrolin B, Enzoflam, Velox D, and all his reports say everything is normal, even the medical doctors. So let me just unmute. तारे जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. अगर आप एक बार अपने को अनम्यूट करें प्लीज सर, एंड अपनी ये जर्नी लोगों को इंस्पायर करें, बताएं कि कैसे नेचुरोपैथी ने आपका ब्लड कैंसर ठीक किया. बहुत बहुत नमस्कार सर. सो ओवर टू यू.
बहुत बहुत नमस्कार sir, and good evening to everyone. I am here Raghavendra Tare, and few months back, about 14 to 15 months back, I was having my these glands were swollen. So when I went to doctor, initially they gave me some medicines, considering that's kind of infection, but it could not give me any kind of relief. After a few days, the swelling was still there, and this swelling, as and when again I met to doctor, they again gave me some medicine, antibiotics, and followed by many blood tests, sonography, FNAC test, biopsy, PET scan, ISC test. So various tests were conducted, and ultimately the result was. But before the this report comes, I came in contact with your naturopathy through my daughter, Apurvaji. So she knows you very well. And knowing this, and after having a discussion in our family members, so we come to the conclusion that we should go for naturopathy. Why we selected this? Because during the time we reported to you, and you have started giving me treatment, and that treatment within say 1 week time, it started showing me results. The swelling was slowly, gradually reducing, which was not possible even after having this antibiotic medicines and other things. And then we all family members decided to go for naturopathy. And then after we started taking your treatment, Abhipsa ji then take over the charge, and completely she gave us many guidance and these diet plans and all. So that really slowly, gradually giving good results. Initially, I was for 3 nights I couldn't sleep because of the uneasiness. It was sort of a different type of pain, and this by the time it was detected lymphoma by the doctor said that it is a lymphoma, and all the lymph nodes, they were swollen completely, and by your naturopathy it was started reducing, and after slowly, gradually, once we have started your treatment, then all this slowly, gradually coming down, and initially my appetite was very poor, but later on it improved a lot, and I started feeling energetic also, and many other benefits started, and that is why I found it's very effective. And another thing, my constipation also. So it was a very old problem, but that also slowly it is removed, and now I feel better, and it is definitely it all credit goes to you, sir, Vishal, and your team, sir. It's extremely very well job done by, and Abhip Sajid's continuous guidance and advice. I followed it thoroughly, and benefit me a lot. So actually, I have not been given any allopathic medicine and other things. It is merely based on naturopathy, that which I really appreciate your efforts, sir. That is a really very, very good job, sir, you are doing, sir. And I wish every success to you and your entire team, Abhipsa ji. She also took a lot of efforts in this. So a very, very big, big, big thanks for, and now I am feeling fresh and energetic. So that is all just because of you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, because people don't believe that cancers and all these things can reverse, and we always say cancer is also like a simple cough and cold, but you need to understand the depth. So let's come to your angel coach, Abhipsa Das. Abhipsa is from Odisha and a very senior nutritionist working with Go Nature for almost 7, 8 years now. So over to you, Abhipsa madam. How did you do this miracle? Over to you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, audience. Good evening, Raghavendra ji.
Good evening.
I would thank the Almighty and Vishal, sir, to
Yeah,
bring me in connection with you and your family.
yeah,
Amazing family. Coming to Raghavendra ji, sir, I would really appreciate about his discipline and consistency.
yeah,
He followed all the guidances very, very patiently. And
yeah.
he only used to tell, if I am a patient, I should have patience. So
That is
that
correct.
is the positive part of his. He
Yeah,
simply trusted the process and allowed his body, gave his body, mind, and spirit the time to heal. And the response was literally, I would say, it was amazing after stopping his medicines, all those
Mhm.
5 medicines which he was taking. It was stopped in the first week itself. Then everything went smoothly. Yeah, at times he came across some
yeah,
challenges, some last challenges as well. But as I said, he allowed his body, mind, and spirit the time to get healed, because by that time he had built up that trust in himself that yes, every health issues can be healed through naturopathy. It is the most powerful pathy. So I would say, yeah, with the support of 2 other women in his life, tomorrow is International Women's Day. One is his wife, Anita Auntie.
yeah,
Anita
yeah.
Auntie really supported him to the T in the kitchen work.
A lot.
A lot, many. Like in between, she went with her daughter, Apurva Tare, to
Yeah,
outstation for some function. So before that, she taught Raghavendra ji that, see, these things are in your diet plan, and I am making you ready that you can cook these things and have it. Apart from that, what all you cannot have, please have an interaction with Abhipsha. She will be guiding you properly. And immediately, I changed his diet plan, which he can prepare in a very easier way and take rest also throughout the
yeah.
day at times. Okay. So even that salute goes to Raghavendra ji as well. Coming to Apurva Tare, his Raghavendra's daughter, she was the one who used to keep on monitoring the habits he is following or he is not following. And she used to report me
Mhm.
either directly, अभिप्सा पापा को ना थोड़ा कुछ मीठा दे दो, he is having a sweet tooth, नहीं खाया कितने टाइम से, थोड़ा सा चीटिंग बस करवा दो. So I would thank her as well, and definitely mine and Vishal's guidance as well.
Yeah, yeah. That is.
Now all his test parameters are normal.
Very nice.
Thank you so much, Raghavendra ji, for
No, no. I
being
must say thank you to you all
for
because of
being a
your help.
sincere client of
Thank
mine.
you. Yes, thank you, sir. And anybody watching this, I would say to the Indian government, Ministry of Ayush, if you want any of my formulas, just take it. I don't, Go Nature does not want, anything in lieu of, giving those formulas. Give it to the rural areas of India. Anything. If anybody watching this video any government senior officials seeing this video, me and my team, we do not want any name, fame, money. We'll give you our formulas, what we do, how we do, because right now we are doing professionally because of marketing cost and a big team. But if somebody needs, we are there, right? We are there to spread this word. And I request the government of India that, how the cancer patient suffers. And here's a case in front of you that completely the blood cancer has been reversed, right? I would say that, in first 4, 5 months, it was reversed. But again, we still kept going and healing and healing. He renewed the plan for 2 times more. So, but trust me, I think it will not be wrong, Raghavendra ji, if I say, that, almost 90% of the healing was done in the first 6 months, right? Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yes.
yes, yeah, this is what I
And
felt. Yeah.
yeah. And then they renewed for maintenance, proper maintenance.
Yes.
Abhiksha, we know you have given us the maintenance plan, but still then we don't
Yes.
want to take any risk.
Yeah.
So we want to renew the plan so that we can come to know in another 6 months what kind of maintenance you are guiding us with, so
Yes.
that
Yes.
we can move ahead accordingly throughout the life.
Beautiful. Amazing. Yes. So that's the story. And again, please type MPTY for Raghavendra ji and the angel coach Abhipsa Das. So it's so the tough part is not the treatment. The tough part is family making that decision, because let's say somebody in a family gets cancer, so the other family members, it does not know how naturopathy work. So what people choose is what is very famous. So what is famous? Famous is seeing that the world goes to hospital, we will also go to hospital. The world does chemotherapy, we will not. That is where the people who have no knowledge, they start suffering, and people who have the knowledge, they make the right decision. Correct? So thank you so much again, Raghavendra ji, for coming and sharing your case study with the world. And thank you so much, Avipsa ji, for coming and sharing. Thank you so much, and more power to you. Thank you so much.